Welcome to reInvent 2021, and welcome to the first segment of Live from reInvent. We're coming to you live from the Expo Hall as we put on finishing touches. I'm Melissa Paranchero, and I'm one of your hosts this week on the show. I'm an account representative at AWS, and I work with global financial services customers out of New York City. In my case, I work with financial exchanges in particular, helping them with their cloud adoption.
And I am Rudy Chetty, your other host here at Live from reInvent. I work as a senior solutions architect in training and certification, which means I get to enable other solutions architects to help our customers, like yourself, with their cloud architecture.
So lots of diagramming then.
Oh, lots. In fact, I have one of my diagrams here. As you can see, it's the customer, yourself, watching on the stream, and you're very happy because you're watching us live from reInvent.
Yep, and we are ecstatic to be back in Vegas this year. And it's wonderful to see all the energy and excitement of everyone who is gathered here as we get ready to kick off. I love seeing all those folks taking selfies in front of the reInvent sign.
Oh yes, we gotta get one before we go. Yeah,
yes.
We'll get a good selfie.
Put it on the socials.
Oh yes, and all the gram and etc. I mean, that's what we're here to do at Live from reInvent, is relaying those kinds of observations, taking you behind the scenes, all the fun activities, and the highlights of the day's keynotes and sessions.
Think of us as your friends in Vegas with a backstage pass to all things reInvent.
And reInvent always begins with Midnight Madness.
Yes.
Let's look at the top 10 acts of madness from the past 10 years.
We're bringing you AWS RoboMaker.
And what about last night's Midnight Madness? Did you go as Axl Rose or Tina Turner?
Tina Turner, of course, because I'm your private dancer, a dancer for money. No, but really, have you seen Axl these days? It was just amazing to see so many people back together. There were many chicken wings being eaten, 48 in all by the winner. And there were half pipes being ridden and air guitar solos. Wild Stallions rule.
Some were better than others, though, I've got to say.
Yeah, fair enough. And a crack roller skating team that seemed like it was transported straight from the 1970s.
Huh. All right. Well, let's give a quick rundown of the week. This afternoon, the Global Partner Summit details how AWS partners are using the cloud to do incredible things. Tomorrow, Tuesday, is a big day. Adam, our new CEO, takes the stage for his first reInvent keynote at 8:30 a.m. Pacific.
And then we've got Wednesday morning. Machine learning is front and center in Swami's keynote at 8:30 a.m. And later that same day, Peter DeSantis will dive deep on optimizing your cloud infrastructure. And he'll give a view on where we are in running the AWS cloud on renewable energy.
Thursday at 8:30 a.m., it's all Werner, as he takes us through his vision for where the cloud is heading next.
And then we celebrate Thursday night at Replay. So just a few things to cover during the week. Are you ready?
More than ready. Let's go. All right, tune back in here during the week.
We'll be here.